Trig identities. All right. Mr. Bebach's rules. And you got to follow them. Or Mr. Bebach takes off points. Write down the problem. No. The exact way it appears in the book. Okay, write down the problem the exact way it appears in the book. Step 2, change only the right side of the equation. You're going to change only the right side of the equation. You don't do anything to the left side, only the right side of the equation. And you line up equal signs in a column. So otherwise, you work vertically. So do not number your paper and go crosswise. You're going to work vertically. Now, I'll show you what all this means in a second, and we'll get some very, very simple problems at the start. Okay? I'm not going to assign anything too difficult this first day. We'll work into the more difficult ones as we go. But let's say we have a problem such as cosine of x tangent of x equals sine of x. That's problem number 1. Okay? So we're only going to change the left-hand side, not the right-hand side. Okay? So we're going to change the tangent into what? How about sine of x over cosine of x? And then we cancel the cosines. So sine of x equals sine of x. And this is our answer. Okay? You have to work until, step 4, I didn't write that down, work until both sides are the same. Work until both sides are the same. I worked until I went down to get sine of x on both sides. Okay? See how easy that was. Okay? That's what we're doing. So, guess what? On every one of these problems, you already have the answer given to you. So you're going to know the answer at the start of the problem. Let's do another one. Let's say 1 plus secant squared of x sine squared of x equals secant squared of x. So what's our answer going to be? Secant squared of x. So I got to somehow change that left side into that right side. And I'm going, ooh, what should I do? Well, simply, if it's not a sine or cosine, generally we turn it into a sine or cosine. So what is secant squared of x change into? 1 over cosine squared of x. This is a times sign. Sorry, that's where my computer screen is bad. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this as sine squared of x over cosine squared of x. Okay, what do you think sine squared over cosine squared is? Sine squared over cosine squared is tangent squared. And then, what's 1 plus tangent squared the same as? Secant squared of x. This is how to write out a trig identity. Okay? You just write multiple steps going vertically, not horizontally on your sheet of paper, going vertically so we can follow it all the way down till both sides are equal. Okay? You're basically writing a proof why that is equal to that. Okay? So, your assignment for 3.2D is 37 through 42 all. Just 6 problems, and they won't take you all that long. Oh, you poor girl. Why do I do this to you? Because I want to push you to get your brains to become as smart as possible.